This is why you need eggs in your breakfast. They don't just taste great, eggs can actually help your heart. Here's how. Scientists have discovered that eating up to 1 egg a day can boost your heart health. In a huge study with thousands of people, folks who ate eggs regularly had more good molecules in their blood, especially something called apolipoprotein A1. That's a building block for HDL, or good cholesterol, which helps clean out your blood vessels like a tiny superhero team. These egg eaters had bigger HDL molecules that were awesome at clearing out the bad stuff, lowering the risk of heart attacks and strokes. But don't go overboard. Moderation is key. 1 egg a day seems to be the sweet spot. So, if you want to give your heart some extra love, crack open an egg and start your day sunny side up. Who knew breakfast could be this egg-citing?